Even before the time of our Blessed One, there was a debate among people as to what are positive matters for life. The different people presented different ideas about that. Some said that they saw things may be positive or negative. Others said that they hear things may be positive or negative. Others said their feelings may be optimistic for the body. For example, when setting out on journey, it was thought that a pleasant sight is a good sign, hearing a sweet tune is good luck, and hearing unpleasant sights or sounds is a terrible effect. This argument spread from among people to God. Sakra, the chief deity of the deities, heard this quarrel and asked if anyone had asked Lord Buddha, the supreme and lord of all the three worlds that appeared in the human world, about these auspicious facts. He asked from gods, when the sun has risen, why did someone ask the stars to light up and break the darkness? So, the task was assigned to a god. Then, one night this god came illuminating the Jatavanarama to ask the blessed Lord Buddha what these brilliant good matters were. Expect the second part of the great Mangala Sutra preached by the blessed Lord Buddha at that time, which includes the optimistic facts, soon on our Wisdom of Way channel.